Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am presenting a B.Ed second year file of paper curriculum development and assessment. So topic of my project file is curriculum. So basically we have around 10 files in B.Ed second year. So this is the paper second of Kanpur University. So this is my front page. It denotes the school name or the college name, session, subject or the student people name and roll number and the year. Okay, so in this if we want we can add the acknowledgement also, but we can skip the acknowledgement portion. So this is all about, we will discuss here what is curriculum, what are the types of curriculum, what are the philosophies we used here in curriculum. So this is our index page. So these are the topics which are given here. We have written on these topics. So what is curriculum? Basically it is a Latin word originally referred to a defined path or a course, like a race course or a pattern of one's career. In this we will discuss the concepts related to curriculum, old concept as well as Elizabeth Massey's concept. Okay, we will define the different definitions given by the different philosophers like Froebel, Monroe, John Dewey. New concepts of theory also will be determined here. You can take the screenshot of these pages or you can write it. Except that we will also describe the aims and objectives of this paper, like to provide direction, to help the initials in establishing discipline in one class, how to assess the different teachers, how to develop a meaningful relation between the teacher and the student. These all things we will define here. Lastly, we will also define the types of curriculum here. You can make a note or you can take the screenshot of this. Importance of curriculum, what is the main importance, or what are the learner experience from this whole system of curriculum, what is the information and communication technology, that is our ICT goals, that the whole era is now digitalized. The ICT has become a vital role in everyone's day-to-day life. Basically if we do anything like during the online study or in education, we are using the ICT, online classes or the online conferences or the meetings we are attending through the meanings of these ICT. Socialization we will discuss here. The process which includes the socializations. Factors leading to the socialization of a child, that is family, neighborhood, school, games, sports, caste, religion, community, and the factor resizing socialization, childhood situation, cultural condition, current situation, etc. And lastly I described here the system analysis chart. It is basically a flow chart in which we will start any project of the teacher and the student relationship, or the factors affecting the curriculum development, society, family, school, goal, tradition. So this is all about the project file of B.Ed second paper of Kanpur University. For curriculum development and assessment, you can make this project. Thank you all of you.